my name is Ujat and welcome to the show where we discuss everything that's happened in the marketplace, trading opportunities that existed today, trading opportunities that'll exist tomorrow. Today we're going to do a special segment where we're going to do a quick deep dive on Manappuram Finance and a trading opportunity that exists over the next couple of months. Before that, let's look at the market. Yesterday we identified 17,200 and 17,450 and 7,500 as the contours, and those two boundaries were respected. However, there were some wild swings and the market ended flat. The Ukraine issue, I think, is behind us, although we have got some contradicting information from the US and Russia. Unless there's a real war, I think global market should not be impacted. This is also reflected in the fact that the crude oil price is down 2%, and that is good news for countries like India, where inflation is still a massive concern. Let's look from a stock perspective. Three stocks that's there on our horizon. First one is Manappuram Finance. Manappuram Finance came up with their results a couple of days back, and it was really bad. The stock was down 10% and still has seen further weakness over the last couple of days. Quick look at the financials. The AMU increased by 10%, which is good. However, the net profit has dropped 46% year over year. The net interest margin stands at 12.6%, which is the lowest in the last 20 quarters. So there's a fundamental shift in business in the business itself. And after doing a little bit of deep dive, we've realized that the problem lies in the customer profile segment. The sweet spot or the sweet segment for Manappuram Finance is, the ticket size is somewhere between 30,000-40,000. The loan term is about 60 days. Now, over the last couple of quarters, the demand from this space has almost dried up. It has dropped considerably, as a result of which Manappuram had to chase down the big ticket segment where the competition is significantly stiff. In fact, some of the traditional banks also are strong competitors in that space. In order to chase down that particular segment, they have had to spend more money on advertising and promotions, and all of this is reflected in their financials. The expenses have gone up, margins have contracted, and we strongly believe that this particular trend is going to last for at least the next couple of quarters. So they will struggle to find some footing in that big ticket segment, and the demand in the small ticket segment is going to be low. So as a result of which, the stock is going to be mildly bearish or is going to go into the consolidation phase. We have sold a March call option at the strike price of 140, and we believe that selling call options are going for a credit spread over the next couple of months is going to yield some good value, and that's a good trading opportunity that exists for at least 2 to 3 months, if not more. Two other stocks that has come onto the horizon: HDFC and Metropolis. Both stocks have taken a plunge. HDFC is a FI favorite and seen some big selling in this particular stock. However, last 2-3 days there has been some strong buying, and we believe that the FI buying is back. So this is a stock that we need to watch out for and see if that momentum continues. Same with Metropolis, at around 2,000 rupees, we have seen some strong pullback supported by strong volumes. So we might see at least a short-term bounce of that 2,000 levels. So these two stocks are something that you need to watch out for. Our favorite momentum stock is RHIM. Last week it has returned. It performs really well, and it has returned. It has gained about 17% since we first identified this particular stock. That's playing out really well. Let's look at the current trades that we have and how it's performed. We had, as I said, a nifty March short straddle at 17,000. Nifty hasn't moved much, but the VIX has been up, so we still have to wait out for Theta and Vega to play out to drive some value out of this particular trade. Same goes with Cipla trade, Cipla and SBI in trade. I think both stocks were slightly negative today. So we just have to wait it out and drive some value out of it. Before I sign off, there are a couple of things. We have our weekend show called Rock with Options, where we discuss an idea or concept or a trading strategy. There's a live show. We'll have a Q&A session. We'll have a discussion. Anybody can participate. If you want to reach out, if you want to participate, which is free of cost, do reach out to me or post a comment on this particular video. We also have a Bugle Rock platform where we kind of tie up what we discuss on Rock with Options with real-time trades, and the learning is more holistic. So if you want to be part of that platform, do reach out to me as well. With that, have a phenomenal evening and have a great Friday.